In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to check Reddit search history. If you've ever searched for something on Reddit and then wanted to find it again later, this is a quick and simple way to do it. Reddit makes your recent searches easy to access right from the search bar, so you don't need to dig through settings or navigate to a separate history page. To get started, go to Reddit. You can do this in a web browser on your computer or by opening the Reddit app on your phone or tablet. Once Reddit has loaded and you're on the main screen, you're ready for the next step. Make sure you're fully on the site or app before continuing, since the search feature needs to be visible for this to work properly. Now tap or click on the search bar. As soon as you select it, Reddit should display your recent search history automatically. This usually appears as a drop-down list or a panel below the search field, depending on whether you're using the app or the desktop version. You'll be able to see the terms, topics, or subreddit names you recently searched for. This is useful if you want to quickly revisit a topic without typing it all over again. It can also save time if you're trying to return to a subreddit, post theme, or keyword you were exploring earlier. If your recent searches don't appear right away, make sure you're tapping directly into the search field and not just scrolling past it. In some cases, Reddit may only show history if you've already used the search feature while logged into that device or session. Also, keep in mind that what you see here is typically your recent search activity within Reddit's search bar, not a full account-wide archive. So if you're looking for something from much earlier, it may no longer appear in the visible list. And that's all there is to it. To check Reddit search history, simply open Reddit and tap or click on the search bar to reveal your recent searches. It's fast, convenient, and built right into the normal search experience. Thanks for watching, and if you're following along, you should now be able to quickly view your recent Reddit searches anytime you need them.